Alright, it's the weirdest storm I've ever seen. And it's getting bad enough where I gotta go inside. That's hilarious. Yeah, it's coming right from there. Yahtzee Wabba. Damn it, man. What a weird ass storm this is. I don't think it has anything to do with chemtrails or anything to you. Bunker fuel operations. Yeah, I'm thinking this is all chemtrails and the bunker fuel operations. Got hail coming down. Crazy ass hail. Stand strong, Patriots. They won't wear us down. They can flood my front porch a little bit if they want. They ain't gonna wear us down. We win. God wins. God bless everybody. Chemtrails and bunker fuel operations, look it up. Mike Morales will tell you all about it.